Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about Mid Journey, and Mid Journey is an AI program that enables you to generate AI images just by text prompt. So, I just want to show you as a 3D character artist, and I want to show you how I went about in creating concept art for my 3D project. So, I was thinking of working on a 3D project where I would have to come up with concept ideas, and I didn't want to go through the process of going to Pinterest. I just said, okay, what if I want an original idea and I want to sell my 3D models? I want to make a 3D model for a game and I want to sell it. How am I going to go about that without paying a 2D concept artist? I know this might sound a little bit weird for, oh, AI is taking our job, yada yada yada. No, it's not. I'm going to go on a video about how AI can never take our jobs, but for this video, I'm just talking about like how we can actually generate cool concept arts work for or references that we need to create the 3D, because some of us can draw, some of us can't. But you just want cool ideas. So why would you want to use AI? If you're a 3D character artist like me and you most likely want to work in a game studio, the jobs in the game industry or job in the game studio is it goes like this. There's a 2D concept artist who will draw a 2D concept for you, the 3D artist, so that you can replicate it in 3D. So, and that is why that's why we are doing this. And I want to show you how I generated character sheets, not just one character, because sometimes you want to know how the character is going to look from the back, or how the character is going to look from the side, the legs, and all that. So I'm going to show you my prompts in how I achieved that, and let's get to it. So yeah, a Mid Journey, and you can see as I'm scrolling, I have like a couple of really cool images. I was going for the Fortnite style for designing a character art for a certain kind of game I want to sell. I started playing around with Midjourney. Midjourney is not that expensive. You could get this for $10. The package I'm on right now is like $10, and it gives you 200. I think 200 prompts for a month. So I've been playing around with this. I don't even think I've exhausted it before it started giving me really awesome characters. Like you can see, I wanted something like this. And here's another one. No, let me show you this guys, this one. So you can see it gives the front, the back, and three-quarter view, which is something that's essential for creating like a character sheet. Most images you're going to see on Pinterest won't give you this much detail. Sometimes the concept artist is just showing off his work and he's just going to draw stuff from the front. And sometimes you want some of the details in the back, maybe you draw something and you can't contact the character artist to actually give you the memo. So you come to Mid Journey and you try your prompting. So the prompts I use are very simple. I noticed I noticed that if you put stuff like character sheets, if you can see that, yeah, character sheets and multiple view front, back, and side, it does this for you. That's all you need to add, and it does it. You don't even need to think of like, oh, what prompt did I add, or what prompt did I do I need to do, or one sophisticated prompt. You don't need that. Just explain. I'm using Midjourney 6, version 6. You just need to explain it as if you're talking to someone. Anything, any points that you want the AI to do for you, you actually have to have a comma. So, for example, I want full body. As you can see here, I want full body. I want a villain character. I want it in a Fortnite style. I want the character sheet. I want multiple angles, multiple views, that's front, back, and side. I want the villain character to be intimidating. This is just extra stuff to give the AI so that the AI can actually like pinpoint what you really want. So I want my villain to be intimidating. So I want intimidating villain character in the style of Fortnite. So I'm reminding it that as much as I want my intimidating villain character, I want it in this style. I actually want to make a Fortnite style kind of game. So, and I'm telling it again, I want full body. And this AI just means AR means aspect ratio. So you put like a space bar, and you put this two dash, then you add AR. And I want it in 16 by 9, meaning a wide shot, so that because on default, Mid Journey actually just does. Let me see. Let me see if I can show you one. It does this one by one thingy. So something like this. Does this one by one square kind of file. And I didn't want that. I want something where if you do that, it's going to try and squash everything that you the three angles into that square, and it doesn't really look good. So I actually said, okay, I want it in 16 by 9, which is this AR aspect ratio, and I put a dash version 6.0, and that's all you actually need. So what it does when you do that, let's see. Let me see my first prompt for this. So full body did the same prompt that you can see here, full body and version 6. So it gave me these three images, and out of these three images, I kind of like this one here, and this one. This one was just too much for me. I was like, I don't know what's going on here. So I actually said, okay, let me upscale this two. So that's what I did. I upscaled this one and upscaled this one. So when you upscale one, it just makes one image of that, like a bigger image, so that in case you want to save this, you can just save this. And the cool thing about upscaling after saving is that you could actually make more variations. So let's say you like this style, then you actually want to tell the AI that you want to make varies of this kind of style. So it can do that. You can say very subtle. If you do very subtle, it's going to make slight adjustment. If you do very strong, it's going to make like big changes. Like it might change like the some stuff, might give it more asset to the face or something to actually give you what you actually want. But the thing, I just want to go on the side note to just explain that people are always scared about AI. Like as much as this is really cool, it's not my original idea. This is just what the AI just feel. It's not something I can actually tell it to. Like I can't really tell it to like I want a blue scarf, a red truck. Maybe you can, but I tried it. It's fucking complicated. Sorry for my French. It's really, really complicated. And it's not what the asshole. It's better you just pay someone. And I think that's where the old thing, like if you're a concept artist and you're thinking like the AI is stealing your jobs, I don't think so, because like you can actually really focus and be more specific, and people that really need something really more specific will come to you, and meaning you don't have to do like some stupid weird jobs that is not it's not worth your time. So that's that. You should not be afraid of AI. It's just a tool to help people. Like maybe if you're an indie guy and you want something just generic and you don't want to spend like $1,000 or $500 hiring a concept artist, you can actually be okay with something generic, or you can actually merge a couple of ideas together to form a really unique idea. Like for me, the way I use this, the way I am going to use this is that I'm going to make like for this, I'm going to make different variations for this. So right now it's giving me a scarf and some belts here and every other thing. Maybe I want to see more ideas here. So I'm going to go down here and make more. This is like a variation. I think this is a slight variation. And now it's giving me some a different kind of belt, a different kind of armor, and it's adding some gears, and it's adding some arm patch that I can use. You know, if I like any of this, see, it gives me a different mask. There's no scarf here. It's adding some bulletproof vest with some other gears on top. And the messed up thing about this is that it's not really detailed. It's still left for you to actually guess what that is and say, okay, I think this can be this, or this can be a pouch for a gun, or instead of this, I can just make this place a pouch for a gun. But I like the overall outfit of this. Like, okay, I like the shoe, but instead of making it red and black, I can just make it green. Like, I would prefer a green shoe, or not this shoe. Maybe I can use the shoe instead, or I can use the shoe instead. So you can do different variation just for shoes, still the same character, but you just want something a different, maybe a different pants or different trousers or anything. And you can actually just do that. And I did some other villain characters, and you can see different version. This has this spiky with some woody thingy. And I think I did more variations of that, and it gave me some other ones. And if you check out my prompt, I know most people are really interested in the prompt. I'm not really saying anything complicated. Like you see, it's the same prompt. Uh, I'm still saying full body villain character, Fortnite style character, shit, multiple view angle, intimidating villain character in the style of Fortnite full body AR 16 by 9 version 6. The more you write this, it's going to give you different kind of villain characters. You can't take this prompt and say you want to get this exact one. It's just going to like see through its library of ideas or creativity and come up with villain characters for you. So you can't say, okay, I want the same type. That's the issue. You can't really control so much. It's still based on randomness, and you're hoping that based on this randomness you get something that's really cool or something that's what you want. So yeah, you see, it's because I liked this one and I upscaled it and I did very subtle. I started getting like similar color, font style, and just variation of the clothing, like variation of clothing and mask, which is really cool if you're really into creating characters to sell on like the a game asset. Because if you make your characters modular, like you can actually change part, makes your character more valuable. So you have like, I can give it more hand guards. I can give it more knee guards. So I am looking for concept for knee guards. So this is going to make it better for you, as you can see. So I'm going to show you, like I was going for hero characters. Like the hero characters are not that great. Like I was like, what is this? Just so generic. Well, Fortnite is kind of generic in its style, but especially for like the rumples of clothes, like that can be really difficult to figure out. But yeah, it actually sculpts it for you so that you don't have to really think so much of how the stylizedness of the folds will be, which is really cool. It's really Fortnite characters. You can go on Pinterest and just write Fortnite. Let me do that real quick for you guys. So you can go to Pinterest and I can just write Fortnite characters. So if you go here, you can actually see like different styles from different artists, like from real skins from the game. So you can see it. I'm looking for one really nice folds. Like you can see they're really similar to what Midjourney is actually doing for us. Really similar. Some of them are a bit more exaggerated, but it's really close. And when you're sculpting in like ZBrush, you actually know where the folds are gonna be instead of the 2D images. And this is let's start again. And this is a 3D image. If I was to like concept art for Fortnite, for example. Yeah, 2D versions are not gonna really give you so much. You still have to use your own creativity. While in AI can actually give you some more stuff. The like I said, the hero characters are very generic. Like you see what full body hero character Fortnite style. It's like I didn't really like any heroes are boring. I'm sorry. But if you the more description you give your character Midjourney, the more better. I'm not a pro in Midjourney. I just want something so that can give me an idea to actually do what I want. And that's that. And when I start adding like full body evil character Fortnite character, so I'm like I'm just using one out of like I did so many prompts. So then I figured out that that's you don't really need to do much. Like you can see you can see here I have like gladiators in Fortnite style, and they really look really cool, like really amazing stuff. I've not even upskilled anyone. I know that when I really need something, I can actually upskill. So yeah, here's the prompt. Male, a gladiator era character with aesthetic armor in style of Fortnite, full body character sheet, multiple angles, full body Fortnite style, AR 16x9 version 6. So you can see the most important thing is in this prompt is character sheets and multiple angles, character sheet, multiple angles, and the style that you want it in. So make sure you add style because so it knows you're trying to say Fortnite. So it's the style of Fortnite. So it's going to go through like generic Fortnite things and come up with something. I don't know what happens in the back of the hood, but that's what it is. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. Like I hope this helps you. Like I'm working on a character and let me see if I can bring up my Pinterest. So this is my character sheet for my new character. So I'm really using this. Let me make this bigger. So I'm using this for my mid journey because I wanted a character that is faceless, has armor, and it's like a Black Ops gun guy. And it really gave me this, and I really like this style. And I made a couple of variations so that I can have like different armor sets that I could play with, and I have some nice back view. For this one, I don't know, for some reason it didn't give me the full body, and I was fine with that because I can get the idea of the legs from somewhere else, like maybe from here. I still just need to make it black and maybe get shoe style from another place and this from here. So what was really interesting for me is the upper part of the body. So and I just have some other like generic Fortnite prompts that I did, and it really gave me some really good stuff, even for female characters. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps you in coming up with a concept for and doesn't stop you from using AI or come up with concept that can help you in your 3D character journey. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.